Hello friends, welcome to .NET Guide. In today's video, we are going to see that Microsoft Internet Explorer, which has been officially discontinued by Microsoft at the Windows level, and its support replaced by their latest browser, Microsoft Edge. Earlier, we could use Internet Explorer by activating it in some way, but with the latest update, 22H2, they have removed even its traces. Now, we cannot run Internet Explorer in any other way. The problem here is that sometimes in a work environment, many legacy applications still use Internet Explorer. Internet Explorer had the capability to integrate at the core level of Windows or with the core components of Windows with the help of ActiveX, due to which many such applications that use the core library of Windows for security features or for other things, running those applications in other browsers can be a bit painful. In some cases, the applications do not load at all, or in some cases, they do not run properly even after loading. So today our requirement is that we have to run Internet Explorer in Windows 11 or Windows 10, or activate Internet Explorer mode in Microsoft Edge. In general, we can activate IE mode by installing a plugin, but it does not work every time. And if you look in the store, there are many extensions there which also creates confusion as to which one is genuine and which one is not. And today we will turn on the Microsoft Internet Explorer mode from the settings itself. And as you must have seen in many places in other tutorials, we have to go to Flags and turn on the experimental flags or features. We do not have to do any technical things like that in this video. Let's begin. Go to Settings. Click the three dots that you will be seeing in the corner. You have to go to Settings here. And from here we have to open Settings. So after going to Settings, we have to click on Default Browser. As soon as we come to Default Browser page, here we will get an option that will ask what should we do with the compatibility of Internet Explorer. So Internet Explorer opens sites in Microsoft Edge. Now here the option is coming that incompatible sites only or always or never recommended means never type this. Or if it is about always, then right now we will make it always here. Okay, and as you do always, then here you have this change. Here about what pages are required in the Internet model. And like here, the second option is to be left in the next mode. So you allow it here. Okay, and after that you can do one more setting here that whatever is your URL, you can put it here. What will happen is that next time when you open this URL, then the system will suggest you whether you want to open it on Internet mode. So, for example, if I put the URL of our blog right here and add it, now we have made some changes here which are related to the browser. Then, here we are getting a call to restart it. And it will work only after restarting as it is written here. Is that okay? So, I will restart it now. The browser opens back on the same settings page where we were. Now, as soon as I type this URL here, let's see what the effect is. Like you can see here right now, it told me that you were in Internet Explorer mode. Most pages work better in Microsoft Edge, right? Do you want to open it in Edge? This is displayed to you via the toolbar. You can also close it from here. And if you are seeing here, a little icon has also appeared here. That this is running in Internet Explorer mode, and if you want to run it in the compatibility mode that was in Internet Explorer, then you can tick here in which IE mode. The IE mode is running, this is the version you have to target, and next time you have to open it in IE mode only, can you set it here? So here we have seen how to activate the IE mode using Graphical User Interface without installing any third-party extension separately, and without manually going to experimental flags and enabling any of them. I hope it will be useful for you. If you liked the video, then like it and don't forget to share it with your friends. And if you have come till here and you have not yet subscribed to our channel, then you can encourage us by subscribing. And if you have subscribed earlier, then please like it and share it with your friends. Thank you for subscribing and definitely press the bell icon to get notification for upcoming videos.